While the entire world is obsessed with the S&P 500 in US tech, a massive shift in global power is happening right under our noses. Most retail investors are currently overexposed to a single country, ignoring the 80% of the world that is actually growing the fastest. But while the crowds are chasing the same six tech stocks, the world's most elite institutions are quietly loading up on the forgotten markets, the regions that will produce the next decade of millionaires. Today, we're breaking down VWO, the Vanguard powerhouse that gives you an all-access pass to the emerging giants of the world. Part 1. What is VWO? VWO is the Vanguard FTSE Emerging Markets ETF. It is the world's most popular way to own a piece of the developing world. Unlike a standard U.S. fund, VWO invests in over 5,000 companies located in emerging economies like China, India, Brazil, and Taiwan. It doesn't just track companies, it tracks the rise of the global middle class. It's designed for the investor who wants to move beyond the U.S. and capture the raw growth of the nations that are building the future. Part 2. Key characteristics. VWO is a Vanguard staple, meaning it comes with a rock-bottom expense ratio of just 0.06%. To put that in perspective, it is roughly 80% cheaper than most other emerging market funds. It currently manages a staggering $119 billion in assets, making it one of the most liquid and trusted tools for global exposure. While it's built for growth, it actually pays a respectable dividend yield of around 2% to 3%, making it a great way to get paid while you wait for these massive economies to mature. Part 3. Top holdings. When you buy VWO, you aren't buying Western brands. You're buying the giants of the East. Its top holdings include TSMC, Tencent, Alibaba, Reliance Industries, and China Construction Bank. These are the companies that power the lives of billions of people. By holding VWO, you are getting direct exposure to the infrastructure, technology, and consumer growth of the entire developing world in one single ticker. Part 4. Performance. Let's be real. Emerging markets can be very volatile. Because VWO is tied to global geopolitics and currency swings, it definitely has periods of extreme volatility. However, the numbers don't lie. Since its inception, it has delivered a 6.87% return, and it's up a massive 33% in the last year alone. History shows that when the US dollar weakens or US stocks go flat, emerging markets often skyrocket, triggering massive growth cycles for VWO. With India and Brazil currently booming, many experts believe we are at the beginning of a new super cycle for the developing world. If the West slows down, this is where the real action will be. Part 5. Why invest in VWO? There are 3 strategic reasons to own VWO right now. First, diversification. It is the ultimate insurance policy against a US-only portfolio. Second, valuation. While US stocks are historically expensive, emerging markets are trading at a massive discount. You're basically buying the world on sale. Third, demographic growth. You are betting on the youngest, fastest-growing populations on the planet. It's this smart money move for anyone who wants to own the next global superpower before the rest of retail catches on. Part 6. Real-world example. If you consistently invest $100 every week into VWO over the next 30 years, assuming it maintains its historic 6.87% average return, your portfolio could grow to over $443,000. If this breakdown helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple ETF breakdowns just like this one.